Okay, all you YouTube geniuses out there, I need your help. This right here is a CNC board on top of a Arduino UNO board. And what I'm finding out is that we've got 3 stepper motors hooked up and they are making an awful lot of noise. Please help me. How can I figure this out so that it's not making so much noise? Watch. Okay, I'm going to plug in 12 volts right here, and you can hear, here's the stepper motor. Okay, you can hear the high-pitched noise. Okay, now right now it's going to go through. Okay, that's an initialization. Now I know that everything's working, but that noise is creating havoc in my project. What is that whiny noise? Alright, I have speakers hooked up to this project. Alright, now what happens is that when I plug in the speakers, it of course picks up that EMF and makes the noise even louder. Let me trigger this so that you can see how this whole thing works. Alright. Now I don't mind the noise that I'm getting from the stepper motor when it's running. But that noise that I hear when it's idle is creating a real issue. Hear it? Now, let me let you hear it when I hook up the sound module. See if I can do this with one hand. Okay. Give me a minute. The sound module. Okay. Hooking up the sound module. Don't know if I can do that. There you go. See? Those are our sound modules. They're all on now. Okay. Now that speaker's hooked up, and that's even making, you hear it. I need to get rid of that noise. Any ideas you guys can come up with, please let me know. Place them in the comments. I really appreciate it.